organisms that have had their characteristics changed through the modification of their DNA. GMO stands for genetically modified organisms. Genetically modified organisms are organisms that have had their genomes changed through a way that does not happen naturally. By changing an organism's genome, we can change its characteristics. Any organisms can be genetically modified, but laws restrict the creation of genetically modified humans, and the production and the distribution of other GMOs is tightly regulated.
So, the GMO that we will be using for our example is corn. And if you look closely, there's not much of a difference, is there? Aside from the other one rotting. And that's because their difference is not in the physical looks, but is in their genetic makeup. And as you can see, this one is the GMO, and this is the regular one. The reason why this is the GMO is because it's built different. It was made to survive more insects rather than the other one. It has proteins that are dangerous to insects but not dangerous for humans. That's why we can safely consume them.
About the benefits of GMO corn. GMO corn of various types has been bioengineered to include genes borrowed from other plants in order to produce a better quality corns, resist pests and parasites, produce large yields, and to thrive under a wider range of environmental conditions. Benefits is insect resistance. The bacteria produces a crystal clear protein that disrupts the gut of insects that ingest it. GMO corn possesses the insect-killing ability. Over 50 related cry-genes have been found that destroy different insect pests. Corn can now be grown where infestation previously destroyed. Harvests are required large doses of toxic pesticides pumped in the environment, often killing beneficial insects in the processes. Of GMO corn as described in International Council for Science or ICSU, report cited by the Public Library of Science Biology. Corn bioengineered to carry disease resistance genes from naturally resistant plants contain lower levels of mycotoxins, substances produced by fungi growing on insect-infested non-GMO corn crops. Mycotoxins are potentially carcinogenic to humans.
Some benefits of genetic engineering in agricultural are increased crop yields, reduced costs for food or drug productions, reduced needs of pesticides, enhanced nutrients compositions and food quality, resistance to pests and disease, greater food security, and medical benefits to the world's growing populations.
These are the two disadvantages of genetically modified organisms or GMO corn. One of the major disadvantages of this GMO corn is its potential to trigger allergies. First, genetic material from a potentially allergenic food may be transferred to allergies, also transferring the allergenic properties. Second, genetic modification alters the actual DNA of the corn.
GMO sweet corn moreover contains a possibly negative effect on the environment. GM plants can cross-pollinate with adjacent crops, making natural cultivating troublesome. Cross-pollination has dispensed with expansive parcel of treasure assortments of corn, and might sully wild plants as well. Crops with built-in pesticides can too influence seagoing plants and natural life through defilement of adjacent streams.